how did you sustain your family? How did you give their needs and
I got so motherfucking design on right now. Every time, bring it down, bring it down, I got dirty old bastard.
Hi guys, this again the Real Filipina, and you know this girl. Okay, this again the Real Filipina, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is we going to interview Janice, the smiley Janice, and I think some of you know her, but some of you are not. So let's intro. Can you? Are you ready?
Yes.
How are you today? Oh,
Doing fine.
kanang. Okay, let's. Can you introduce yourself first to them so they will know?
Hi guys, I'm Janice, the smiley.
Yeah.
Some of the other subscribers know me.
Yeah. Ano yan? Ano to? Ting ting. Ano ba? Ano? Zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom
Zoom in,
in,
zoom out. Okay guys, yeah, she is Janice, the always Janice always taking care of my camera. Taking over. So let's how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Doing great.
Fine is a lot of meanings. Oh,
Doing great.
Oh, nice. Doing great. Sana all. Okay, can you share why you are great? Oh,
Because I'm happy that I escaped my
you skip your
babysitter as a babysitter.
okay. Okay, this let's start my question. Okay. You ready? Okay. Kuan, do you have YouTube channel?
Yes.
Yes.
Kanang a smiley Janice.
Smiley
But now,
Janice.
Filipina living in a coastal area, but I can change because I always changing the
So you
name.
need to wait 8
8
days.
days.
Oh, so if it's already 8 days, you're gonna change it the Smiley Janice
Yes.
and Philippines. Wow. Why you kanang name why you name your YouTube channel into, if you are going to change it, why you gonna change it into the Smiley Janice?
Because your subscriber is always smiley Janice. I follow the subscribers because
Ay.
I know that they know the kuan.
Kanang kuan sa tawa ni ay kanang you're always smiling, and then they ask if what is your technique, why Janice is always smiling, and
Because
yeah,
kanang
kanang just smile.
I always escape my problem. That's why I smile. Sometimes I'm not eating. That's why I'm always smiling.
Okay. What makes you to create a YouTube channel?
Kanang
You motivate you.
I motivate the Hana.
And also I
To
encourage
encourage.
you to create YouTube channel. Yeah.
You encourage me and
To
I motivate you and first
you
first
always
of all I motivate Mary Ann
yes, because she's the first one.
because until now she is always going live.
And then you
No.
also get some ideas because you sometimes taking over my camera, my live stream. Okay, that's really good. Hopeful, wish you all the best with your YouTube channel. Anyway, guys, she is just new on YouTube channel, and if you wish to support her YouTube channel, you can subscribe to her, and yeah, that's really good. So she can do live stream, create videos. So what is all about your YouTube channel?
More content.
More content like kanang doing your daily life vlog,
Daily life. Daily life
Everything
for-
your day.
And then you sometimes you kanang posted on your YouTube short video a funny one.
Yes,
Yeah.
TikTok videos.
Yeah. So if you gonna do live stream na, and then kanang how would you kanang take your like how would you entertain them, like different people and ask question English, and they have some of guys are rude and some of are good.
It's okay. It's a
Part of
it's
YouTube.
a part of our life. Guys, I want more bashers
You want more bashers?
Yes.
Why?
because bashers is
Can make your YouTube channel grow?
make more money,
Ah,
more viewers,
ah.
more commenters,
More bashers, more
So let's
viewers.
dig in
to
your
create money.
yeah. Oh. Okay. So let's dig in your kanang kuan. I'm gonna interview about yourself. Okay. So do you have kids?
Yes,
Oh, so okay. Then how many kids do you have?
4
kids.
3 girls and 1 boy.
Do you still have husband?
Yes.
But what is the work of your husband?
No, he is taking care of our child, the 4th child. The 3 is go to school and 1 is 3 years old, not Not
going.
to
Just
school.
always going to his dad, to his father, to your husband. Okay, why is not working?
Because he have an illness.
He have illness. What kind of illness? Complicated. Complicated heart and kidney.
Heart and two kidneys.
Two kidneys.
Mm.
So how do you feel about that? Like, kanang you cannot send him to hospital. Like,
Because the doctor said that kanang cannot cure.
cannot cure
Mm.
because it's already.
It's already complicated.
How did you sustain your family? How did you give their needs and like especially your kids are going, your children's going to school, and then you don't have kanang someone to that who will going to support your kids. Also, you're the only one who support your family, like the needs.
Yes.
How did you sustain
my child,
as a
my
baby
three child,
sitter?
my three child is kanang unsa gyud na mo kanang
Your three kids
Kanang-
child are
maulakaw ra tag ilahara.
your kids are very they understandable,
Oh,
like
yes.
they know that you don't have money to give them much,
Mm.
but they are kanang they are always go to school, but by using
Oh.
walking, just
Walking.
walking go to school.
Yes, walking.
How
The three.
far is the school?
From my house to school 10 minutes walking.
10 minutes walking.
10 minutes 8 minutes to 10 minutes
Oh, so yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, so kanang how much is your salary per month or every 15 days?
per month.
Per month.
7k per month.
7,000 per month.
Mm.
Wow, and then that's so very low. Yeah, guys, the salary here in the Philippines is very very low, very cheap. Yeah, even though is that as a babysitter, is that kanang all around, like you are
Yes,
taking
all
care of your
around.
baby,
All
of the
around, but
baby.
sometimes guys, because my salary is low, I sell clothes. If I have a day off, I want to the okay store, then kanang to sell that, and then so I buy the okay clothes, then to sell my neighbors.
So you gonna buy clothes, a lot of clothes, and then after that you gonna put a little high price and sell to
Sell
the
my,
neighbor.
my neighbors.
Oh, that's a good idea. Wow, sana all. Okay. How did you manage your time to balance your work as a babysitter and to take care of your own children and send them to school as your prioritize?
If my baby if
the
the
baby
baby
that
is
you taking-
sleeping if the baby is sleeping, kanang I rush the kuan bitaw
You're going to rush in
Rush.
like all works
Oh, all
done
works.
and then go to
go
your
to my
house
house.
and then
then-
taking care of your kids
kids.
also. Wow. A very hardworking woman just to sustain her family, guys, since she's the only one who work because his husband is not able to work na. Okay. If they have another job opportunity, will you leave your work as a babysitter? Like, if you think it's good, would you purchase it, like a high salary
I
than a
don't know.
babysitter? You
I don't know, because kanang my heart is
already love to the
The
baby,
baby.
to the baby that you're taking after of.
mm,
But
but because her mother, he promised me that help me.
the mother
but
of the
not
baby.
now, because
Ah.
she have struggled in the USA.
Ah,
Mm.
well, okay. Then, how difficult for you to work like you're the only one who works for family? Very difficult.
Sometimes when you stress, I'm crying when I am stressed, but
But you just still smile.
I'm strong when I'm
I'm strong.
alone. I'm crying. If I'm not alone, I'm always smiling.
Because you always you always remember your your problems.
If I'm alone,
Yeah.
yeah.
Tabang.
Oh, okay, then how kanang like how do you handle it if you are stressed? How did you do that? Like kanang someone do you want someone to kanang cheer up you, or you want to be alone?
Kanang I'm to chit chat to my pastors and kanang kuan sisters in Christ. I'm to tell my problems, my kanang sanay more marites.
No. So kanang how do you ensure that your children stay motivated or focused on their studies while you're at work? Like kanang ba sa nimo pagkaybaw nga imo mga kids kay motivate gyapon sila pag
Because-
bisan nga
bec-
naka sa trabaho.
Because I know I know that kanang
They are doing
they are
great.
doing great because kanang they don't have kanang bagsak bitaw.
They don't have failed
Oh.
score.
Failed grades.
Oh.
It's a good
High grades, always
Wow.
high grades.
Wow.
Rika, Ilijan, and Divine,
Because-
always high grades.
Yeah, because they wanted you to be proud.
I know.
You're so proud.
I know
Mother.
the three of kanang my child, the three of my child. I know that bisag way to unang kamaog ako.
Even though they didn't study, but they still
I know
did a good job.
I know they all good job.
Wow. Hopefully they will wish them all the best in the school. Yeah. So so I'm gonna ask you, how do you take care of your mental health? Like kanang
Physical.
yeah, like nang you gonna think that kanang you're so very anong sad because like when you're going to see your husband just in the house and your kids
I'm always crying or praying.
praying and crying
Crying is kanang my
your emotion.
peace of mind. Then I want to go. I am na go to the.
You want to go to the beach.
Oh, I want to go to the beach to breathe fresh air.
Beach.
Breathe
Beach.
fresh air.
Fresh air.
So kuan.
Kada you want to
Inhale,
Then-
exhale.
Then my kuan mental health go away. Oh.
Oh, your mental health is go away.
Tupad-pad hangin.
The mental health gets go away because the air blow the mental health. Okay. Oh, that's so funny. Okay then. Hopefully, your channel will grow as like us, like me. Chor.
Hoping.
Bitaw guys, thank you guys, and hopefully you can do as well as like Janice. Also guys, she is just a new YouTuber.
Yes.
So, I actually helping her to also get her subscribers up grow. So hopefully you can like and subscribe to this girl, and don't forget to subscribe also to me. So I think that's all for today's video. I think that's all for the question. And then thank you Janice for always thank you so much for willing to be part of my YouTube channel and for sharing your life to us. Yeah, you're doing
You're
great.
welcome.
Yeah, you're doing great. Guys, subscribe to her guys, the Smiley Janice. But for now, her name is Filipina living in coastal area. But she will gonna change it.
After 8 days.
The Smiley Janice and Philippines.
After 8 days, guys.
Yeah. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you.